Never the most enjoyable thing to do an interview after defeat, but how do you sum up the overall performance on the
Well, we never really got going, did we? It was a poor performance really, but that's not taking anything away from Barry. I thought they were excellent today. So we're normally good for 3 or 4 or 5 chances at home, but they've marshalled as well, and I don't think their keepers had much to do all afternoon. But it was that type of game, until obviously we took Alan Goodall off and left us a bit open at the back. We're 1-0 down, so anything could happen, and we were just hoping that a ball or a break would drop in the box, but unfortunately it never, and that was a sore of the afternoon really. Too many loose passes, too many little slack marking, never got a lot of decisions off the officials, and that was it. That was the story of the afternoon, and it happened. So we'll take it. We'll train hard Tuesday, and we just said to the players there in the dressing room after, we move on to the next game now, and October's going to be a big month for us, so we've got to remain positive.
Wasn't the best start for you with Ryan going off injured? How did that, you think, affect the game?
It wasn't great. We lost Ryan early in the game, didn't we? And obviously Joe's played a full game in the League Cup on Tuesday night, so he's had to go on left side there. So but it's no excuse. We still had enough out there to do better than we did. I just think there was too many loose passes today, and we never really got to grips with them all afternoon. But it happens. It's a bad day at the office, and it's how we react now. It's we've got to train hard Tuesday and look forward to the game at Kevin Druids on Friday, and a big October month after. So the boys are a bit down now because they know we've beaten at home, so fingers crossed we can get it sorted by next week.
So Barry played well, but they did miss chances, and when you miss chances, the opposition's still always in the game. Did you feel you could get that equaliser?
Well, you always believe that the firepower we've got, the chance is going to fall our way, and in the last minutes of injury time the ball's across the box and we're just waiting another day someone is there to tap it in the net. But as you say, it happens in this league. Teams are beating each other week in, week out, and we've got to make sure we just remain positive and keep the players' heads up and go again on Friday.
So is he just tell the players it's just one of those days and just move on from it?
Well, we told them obviously we give the ball away too cheap. We didn't keep it enough. Barry had too much possession. Obviously, last 15-20 minutes when we take Alan Goodall off, our older midfield player, we're going to leave spaces at the back, and they could have got a couple of goals last 10 minutes. But as you say, we've got to focus on next week now and don't look behind, and make sure we're ready and fired up to go to Kevin Druids, which should be a tough game as well.